Hello guys, and welcome back again to my English comprehension exercises. Are you ready to go, guys? Are you ready to learn some brand new vocabulary words? Let's go.
How many of these words do you know? For the following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, definition, a place where people live. Horse, mouse, house, louse. The answer is house. You will have 4 seconds to answer each question. These are general definitions. Be aware of the context in which words are used. Number 1. Bring people or things together. Assemble. Number 2. Choice or option. Alternative. Number 3. Safe, protected from danger or loss. Secure. Number 4. Person who buys or uses things. Consumer. 5. Something that is on the other side or against. The enemy. Opposition. 6. To leave alone, withdraw support, neglect. Abandon. 7. Sacrifice, voluntary give up an opportunity. Forgo. 8. Company or person who sells things, usually at a store. Retailer. 9. To thoroughly investigate or examine carefully. Vet. 10. Money put aside and distributed after retirement. Pension. 11. Sector of the economy, area of business. Industry. 12. Intentionally stop or prevent something from happening. Thwart. 13. Related to the central government. Federal. 14. Related to the family as a unit. Household. 15. Person who breaks things down to study them carefully. Analyst. 16. A proactive or introductory step toward accomplishment. Initiative. 17. A venture or attempt, incursion. Foray. 18. A set or display, an impressive or orderly arrangement. Array. 19. Pertaining to ownership, for example, of a business or enterprise. proprietary. 20. A document that establishes an organization or corporation. Charter. Thanks for watching. If you like these quizzes, please give us a thumbs up in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already subscribed to my English channel. And make a comment, guys. It's very important for you to make a comment. Let me know how the English lessons are helping you to understand the English language. And I will see you during the next English exercise. Bye.